yeah.
Congratulations for the result today. So how do you feel about the result later this game?
Well, I think, to be honest, we deserve the victory. And you congratulate me, and I would like to congratulate the players because they follow really well the game plan. What we saw in the scouting, it was real true that will happen in the game. I think we have really few mistakes. We concede really few. We were really aware of their strong points. We saw the qualifiers that they play, and we knew that they concede really few goals in the last 4 games. In fact, in the last 4 games, they just conceded 2 goals against Thailand in the qualifiers. And today, I think we did a good game. Could be better. We could score more, as you could see, but for me, it's enough. It represents the reality of the game.
For the next match on the 29th January, so do you finally put a higher expectation for the players?
No, really. Kyrgyzstan is a national team from the Middle Asia. They are really strong. Like I will say, I hope they don't feel bad. Russian style. Strong player, fast player, good quality in one-on-one. You could see number 13 score today. I don't know if you realize or not, but it's a super good score. And what I expect is a real battle, and we don't live about expectations. We live in the present. If we win, we automatically qualified, if I'm not wrong. And if we lose, we go to the last game in a more complicated situation. So I hope we can do a good game, and the result, let's see what happens.
Okay, for the next match against the Kyrgyzstan, it's a strong team. So will there be any changes in the aspect of strategy or formation for
Yeah.
the future?
Yeah, of course. Well, we always adapt our game plan to our opponent. We cannot do the same to all the opponents. Maybe if we were Brazil, we could, but we are Indonesia, and we must be aware of the strong points of the opponent. And I think today we did it perfect, and the next game we need to do it perfect as well, because one thing we are good, I think, is we approach the game really, really well, as we could see in the IFF last year, as we could see in the SEA Games, as we could see in Four Nations World Series. Even with Argentina, we did an amazing game. Even we lost, or with Latvia. So we need to adapt always our game style. Of course, keeping our characteristics, but the small details are the real difference. I hope the coaches in youth categories are listening to this, because it's the real truth.
So what's the evolution about this game?
I think everything was more or less perfect. If they say to me we will win 5-0 this game, I will sign for sure, because at the beginning of the game I knew they are really strong players that have good skills, because Korean football, so most of them play football since they were young. I know they are strong, fast, etc. But do our players' development in their academies and clubs, and after that transfer it to the national team, we could play fast, and we could play, in my opinion, smart. And we made a difference in set piece. That is one of our characteristics, and I'm really happy for that.
Thank you.
Cukup. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam semuanya. Ya, pertama-tama saya mengucapkan terima kasih untuk semua supporter yang hadir. Tanpa mereka ini juga bukan apa-apa. Berkat doa dan dukungan mereka juga. Ya, yang pasti kita nggak melakukan sesuatu yang spesial sih ya. Kita cuma nurut sama ngikutin instruksi dari pelatih aja, dan alhamdulillah semuanya berjalan dengan lancar gitu. Kemenangan ini ya untuk kita semua sih. Mungkin itu bukan hak kami ya, bukan kami yang bisa menilai, itu mungkin dari pelatih sih, itu seperti itu. Ya alhamdulillah ya, kalau menurut saya sih itu cuma bonus aja sih. Kalau tanpa kolektif tim juga mungkin saya nggak akan dapat itu sih.
Menurut kamu permainan dari Korea Selatan bagaimana pada malam hari ini?
Yang pasti mereka sangat kompetitif juga ya. Kita juga nggak gampang juga gitu ya. Cuman alhamdulillah teman-teman bisa bermain disiplin sih, seperti itu.
Bang, menang 5-0 tapi masih ada yang kurang nggak menurut kamu?
Ya, kalau menurut saya pribadi sebagai pemain pasti ya kita nggak pernah puas, dan saya juga merasa belum nggak pernah ngerasa cukup gitu ya. Untuk evaluasi itu bukan hak dari saya, mungkin itu ntar evaluasi dari pelatih sih.
Next kira-kira pertandingan kedua
Iya.
apa yang akan
Seperti biasa pasti akan ada scouting ya, akan ada analisa-analisa dari pelatih untuk kita mengenai pertandingan besok melawan Kyrgyzstan. Yang pasti kita sebagai pemain cuma nurut dan ngikutin instruksi dari pelatih seperti itu. Ya. Seperti biasa Hector bukan cuma pelatih aja, dia juga motivator ulung ya. Menurut saya bahasa-bahasa dari dia cukup mengena di pemain dan mudah dimengerti, dan alhamdulillah kita bisa tampil maksimal. Ya. 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 Yang pasti sebelum pertandingan pun kita selama kemarin uji coba di latihan, pasti Evan gak ada opsi-opsi, contoh Shauki jadi pivot, Yogi jadi pivot, jadi kita udah mulai adaptasi seperti itu sih. Dan iya betul seperti itu. Lagi cukup. Oke, terima kasih banyak.
일단 오늘 결과가 좀 많이 아쉽긴 합니다. 일단은 실점 장면이 좀 이제 저희가 이제 좀 놓친 부분이 있어갖고 그 부분에서 이제 좀 큰 전반 초반에 좀 빠른 실수가 나왔고 그 다음에 좀 생각보다 좀 많은 대량 실점을 좀 해서 그 부분이 좀 아쉽다고 생각됩니다.
Yeah. I feel sorry for sorry for today because the Indonesian goal came way earlier than, and we lost something like when they scored. So it's been sorry, but we can prepare for the next match, like with this result. It's okay.
Are the spectators make your play more difficult?
오늘 경기가 관중이 많은 게 혹시 경기하는데 힘들게 하진 않았는지.
일단은 좀 인도네시아 홈팬들이 좀 다른 국가보다는 좀 이제 좀 열띤 응원을 좀 하는 것 같아서 처음에 이제 저희가 애국가 부르고 나서도 좀 그런 중압감 좀 느껴지긴 했습니다. 근데 이제 뭐 이런 경험을 어떻게 보면 할 수는 없기 때문에 좀 이제 즐거운 마음으로 좀 임하긴 했는데, 또 이겼으면 그래도 좀 더 좋았겠지만 그래서 패배를 좀 해서 좀 아쉬움이 좀 있는 경기였습니다.
The Indonesian fans and audience was really like enthusiastic. So like at first like, oh yeah, it's a little bit of like could be a burden kind of thing, but anyway like it's not the experience that we can have easily. Like it's a very good experience. So in some way like I felt really kind of happy to be here, and like I wanted to like win the game. I tried.
Stay updated. Info terkini masih banyak. Jangan lupa subscribe, like, dan share YouTube official OKZone. Dan selengkapnya ada di okezone.com.